Welcome. Today we're looking at Norski Epoxy Filler, a strong, reliable solution for all your repair needs. As always, begin with the Norski measuring kit. It ensures precise measurements and safe handling when using this. Epoxy products come in two parts that must be used together. With Norski Filler, mix 2 parts A with 1 part B, and once combined, the epoxy sets extremely hard, making it perfect for tough jobs, like repairing a door frame where the handle has been pulled out. In this video, we're using the white filler. Norski also offers a natural coloured filler, which can be painted, spray painted, or pigmented to match your desired colour. Now that your filler has been mixed correctly, apply it liberally to the area you want to repair. Unlike other 2-part polyester fillers, this epoxy product will not shrink upon curing. What you apply is what you get, a long-lasting, solid repair. When applying the filler to your substrate, we recommend using a trowel, spatula, putty knife, or squeegee, as the viscosity of the filler is quite high. Push your filler into each crack or joint you are trying to fill to make sure there is maximum surface area. Be aware, as with all epoxies, when your epoxy filler is set, it will set extremely hard. This is why a lot of people will look to sand back their filler before it is fully set. You can try this yourself if you like, by letting your epoxy set for a few hours and then sanding it back once hard. Once your application is complete, allow the epoxy filler to cure for 24 hours before sanding, painting, or putting back into use. Available in a range of sizes to suit any project. You want to give this a go? Just ask in the paint department of your local Martin or Bunnings. They're happy to help. Norski, proudly made in New Zealand.